Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering what I'm doing here. I decided to go and get a pedicure because I think this was well deserved. I worked so hard and I said before I go to Florida, I'm gonna go and treat myself to a pedicure. And that's exactly what I did and it felt so good. Okay guys, so I know you're wondering what the heck am I doing in the snow spray painting silk flowers black. Well, so long story short, I was looking for some good quality silk black flowers and it was very hard to find. So what I did was I took matters into my own hands, got black spray paint, and I decided to spray my flowers all black. So it wasn't that cold outside, and so I figured it would be the perfect opportunity to get it done. Now, I just wanted to bring extra with me just to make sure that I didn't run out because this is for my wedding in Florida. So I started to prep ahead of time so I know that I'm going with as much flowers that I needed for my design. Alrighty, so this is the last of everything. That's all the flowers over there. That's to go in. And then we're just basically taking all the centerpieces that we put up just to sample them. We're putting them back in the boxes. All right, so I'm just taking all of these crystals off. Oh man, that one's hard to come off. And these are actually crystal, they're not plastic. The crystal. You hear the glass? Not really glass, it's not really, it's just plastic, you know? Yeah, it's plastic, but it's just a good quality. It's not the plastic ones like that centerpiece over there. That one over there that I bought from my vendor here, it's really plastic. It doesn't have like this nice shine to it. Alrighty, so that's where we are now. We're leaving out early in the morning. So when everything is packed away in the trailer, I'll come back on and let you guys know what's next. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's packing time, and that's Calvin bringing all the structures that we're going to be bringing with us to Florida and placing them in the trailer.
Molly?
So you're just going to put them on top of each other, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hi.
Hello,
Yes.
how are you?
God bless my husband a million times over and over and over. He's such a big part of my business, not just because he works so hard, but because he supports me so much, and I thank God for him. Babes, if you're watching this, which I hope you are, thank you so much for all that you do. Love you. Can't get up? So as you can see, I went ahead and I prepped some of the structures with the flowers and I wrapped it with cellophane wrap. Now the cellophane wrap helped big time because it helped the structures from not moving out of place. They were like sticking together like glue because of the cellophane wrap. So it worked out perfect.
Those things are going to go to the side, the table, that, run the backdrops down there, the boxes in the middle. So now it's all the boxes. Perfect.
So we're all packed and ready to go. It is Saturday morning. So I was feeling kind of nervous to cross the border because we had the trail with all the decor stuff. So I was just hoping they didn't pull us over and try to tax or do anything. But as you can see, we made it across the border and I was super excited. Thank you, Jesus, for your goodness and mercies. So that's us driving, and I'll see you guys when we get to Florida. So, guys, we arrived safely. Thank you, Jesus. That's Calvin unpacking the trailer. So, what we're going to do now is after the trailer is unpacked, I'm just going to fluff out the flowers, start assembling the centerpieces, and get everything ready for our event, our first wedding in Florida. And I'm super excited, guys. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so and click the notification bell so you know next time I post another amazing video. Thank you, guys, and come back for part 3. Talk to you later. God bless.